Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the engine coolant on Mercedes B-Class W245. To replace the engine coolant, first we need to drain the coolant. We're going to drain the coolant from the bottom of the car, just at the radiator. There's a drain plug on the radiator, which is on the left side of it. It's located right there. In order to drain the coolant, first we need to open this cap. We need to unscrew it, not all the way, just until it starts flowing. You can see it started flowing, so now I'm going to open the coolant cap on the coolant tank, and the coolant will start flowing. Once we drain out the coolant, then we're going to tighten this drain cap, and then we're going to start filling the cooling system with coolant. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, I'm going to fill and bleed the cooling system. This is the kit that I'm going to use. I'm going to fill the cooling system through vacuum. So this is the tool that I'm using to suck all the air out. To suck all the air out, I'm going to use compressed air. And you see now how I'm doing it. I'm turning on the compressed air so that I can suck all the vacuum, and you can see on the gauge when it goes into the yellow, just stop the compressed air. Here you can see on the gauge that the arrow is in the yellow spot, so that means that almost all the air is sucked out of the cooling system. So now I'm going to fill the cooling system with coolant. So I'm going to put this coolant hose in there, and the other side of the coolant hose is in the bottle with the coolant that I'm going to put in there. And now I'm going to open this and let the coolant flow into the cooling system. Here you can see on the gauge that you can see how the arrow is playing. That means coolant is being filled into the cooling system. Once the arrow on the gauge goes all the way to 0 and no coolant is being sucked in, then I'm going to close this switch, and then I'm going to use compressed air to suck all the air out of the cooling system again. You do that 2 or 3 times, depends. And once you can see the arrow is in the yellow spot, now I'm going to start putting in more coolant in there. Here you can see the arrow went to 0 again, so now I'm going to do it again one more time. I'm going to suck all the air out for the one last time out of the cooling system, and then try and replace the air with coolant. I've done this 3 times, so now I'm going to remove this tool, remove this cap, and fill the rest of the tank, fill it just with the bottle. I'm going to fill it all the way to the maximum level. Next I'm going to start the car, let the car run until it goes to normal operating temperature. After it goes to normal operating temperature, turn it off and let it cool down, and afterwards fuel as necessary. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.